Selama saya terapkan, saya dari kumpulan Shopee terdiri daripada saya yaitu Satiswaran Analytics Thailand number matrix 18 DDT 20 F111 Arjun Analytics Subramaniam number matrix 18 DDT 20 F1044 dan Durursan Analytics Badivelan number matrix 18 DDT 20 F1011. The first one is key partner. Partners are Satish, Arjun, and Durarsan. For our supplier is a Shopee. We get motivation from a partnership is to grow the company, be know to people. And then key activities. The first one is troubleshooting for customers. If customers face any problems after buying our product, means we will help them to solve the problem, or we will assist them on how to solve the problem. The second one is promotion of service. We will try to promote our Shopee through social medias or through pamphlets and brochures to develop our business. We also will have promotion for the product to increase our sales and demand among the people. Third one, online and offline payment. We will collect our payment through online payments, transfer money from bank account, and offline payments cash. Key resource. First one, financial resource. Customers that buy our product can pay through cash and transfer. This make it easier for customers to make payments without any risk, as customers can choose how to make payments. Second, product resource. For our product resource is a MA, because we will selling natural supplements for our business. Value proportion. Our reason for being is simple. We exist to help live better, healthier lives. To help us realize this belief in others, we follow the 6 values our business was built upon. That is partnership, integrity, personal worth, achievement, personal responsibility, and free enterprise. Next. Okay. Sejahtera. Nama saya Arjun Alex Pono, nama matrik 18 DT.L114. So today, now I'm going to explain about customer relationship. Relationship that our customer expect from us to establish and maintain is friendly and always smile to customers. We also will chat with customers without making the customer frustrated or angry to us. Distribution channel in our company is social media. Shopee is also using social media such as WhatsApp and Instagram to tell our potential customers about the promotion and to update the customers about our products in social media. We managed to update our social media about twice a week and during special festival. We already signed up for Facebook page and Instagram to be our medium of communication to people. Facebook and Instagram is the best and efficient way to deliver messages, as mostly each person has an account of both social websites. Customer segment. Our target market is community of customers with expectations and preferences that can be fulfilled by the organization through the supply of products. Shopee has decided to aim its marketing effort and ultimately its merchandise. Target market is the element to a marketing strategy. The focus of our business is to accurately identify the most preferable customers that enjoy to buy our products. Our target for the business are students, family, friends on Facebook and Instagram, and the people around the area. It's very important to know who will be our target market, because we can arrow down which customer that should focus on. Cost structure. The price for business we most focus is supplements, because it is more important to business, because supplements is the most customers should buy from us. The key products are the most expensive for product companies are product sources. The price that we use for supplements range from RM32 ringgit to RM140 ringgit. The revenue stream for a company, payment by online banking. Online banking means accessing your bank account and making financial transaction on smartphone, tablet, or computer through the internet. It is fast, typically free, and allows you to perform a variety of tasks without having to visit or call your bank, such as paying bills and transferring money. Customers from other states usually buy our supplements through online store. Then they will transfer the money online to our bank account and they will choose our supplements through the online store. Now we continue by Durwasan.
Hi, my name is Durwasan. My matrix number is 18DDT20F1020. Okay, let's see the business model canvas that we created. Okay, first is key partners. The partners is Sati Sarjan Durwasan. The supplier is Shopway. And the motivation for partnership is to grow the company to be known to the people. Second is the key activities. The key activities is for troubleshooting for customers. The second one is a promotion for of services, and third one is we offer offline and online payment. The key resources for business model canvas is financial resource and product resource. The value proposition for business model canvas is to exist to help live better and healthier lives. Second one is that we follow the 6 values our business was built. All right. The third one is the customer relationships. The first relationship is a relationship that our customers expect from us to establish and maintain is friendly and always smile to customers. The second one is we also will chat customers without making the customer frustrated or angry to us. The third one, fifth one is customer segments. The first customer segment is the community of customer with expectation and preferences that can be fulfilled by the organization. The second one is to accurately identify the most preferred customer that enjoy to buy our products. The third one is to target for business students, family, friends on Facebook and Instagram, and people around the area. The sixth one is the key resources. The key resources is the financial resource and product resource, and the channel is we choose is the social media that are in Facebook page and the Instagram business page. The next is the cost structure. The first cost structure is the price for business. We most focus to supplements because it is more important to improve our business. The second one is the key resource that are most expensive for our product supplements is product resource. The third one is the price that we use for supplements is from range from RM32 to RM148. The last one is the revenue streams. The revenue stream that we accept is a payment by online banking. That's all. Thank you.